Hi there, today we're going to do a really quick unbox video with the Fanvil X6U IP phone. So we're going to have a look at the outside of the box first. This is the label on the box here. We've got our model number, which is the X6U. We've got our serial number and we've got our MAC address information. Let's open it up and have a look inside. Right, so inside the box we're going to find an installation guide that's going to tell us really basically how we have to program this to get it going. Got our main phone, our handset, a LAN cable, a curly cord, and a stand for the phone. So let's put this together. So first of all, we want to take our phone, we want to put it down like that. Pop our stand into place, click that in, get our curly cord. We're going to plug the curly cord in the back of the phone where the plug has got a picture of a handset on it. It's plugged in. Our handset here, and we're just going to clip that into place as well. And there we have it, the Fanvil X6U.